Hello students, today in this video I am going to take one of the most important topic of matrices which is also there in determinants, that is finding the inverse of a matrix. That means for finding the inverse, till now in this previous video we have seen that there is a method known as finding the adjoint and dividing by determinant of the matrix. We get the inverse. But there is an important topic in the syllabus, that is we have to find by elementary transformation. If I go for elementary transformation, means we are going to transform a matrix to get the inverse. So the idea I will be telling you here, we are having a matrix and we are having, let us say that we are having a matrix, but with that matrix we are also having a property that A can also be written as A into identity matrix or identity matrix into A. Now this one is the important property, and if I go with the definition of inverse says matrix A multiplied by another matrix B or matrix B into A, we are getting identity matrix. So I am writing in the other way, don't worry about that. We can also write this one as, this one is matrix and this is identity. And here if that is the case, then A is said to be invertible and B is its inverse. So dear student, this definition can be written as A into A inverse, and A inverse into A is equal to I. Now I am rubbing this particular format. Now you just see that we are having a property. There are two properties, one is a property, the other one is a definition. If I transform this matrix A into identity, then you can see, keeping this A as it is, we can see I should be converted to inverse. In the same way, if I keep this A as it is, then this identity matrix will automatically convert to A inverse. So this is the idea behind that elementary transformation. I am taking one of the example. Let us take a matrix. I am writing here. Let matrix A is eight, 2, 5 and 3. I am having a matrix. I'll give you the reason also why I have taken this specifically, because here the determinant we are getting as 16 minus 15, 1. So we will not be going to get a problem. That is, first example that we are taking, will not be going to get fractions. This idea you will be going to get once you go through this particular topic thoroughly. Now this is a matrix given to you. So what we are going to take, I am going to apply elementary transformation. For specifically this one, that is the elementary transformation, we should keep one thing in mind. We should go either with row transformation or with column transformation. As we used to do in determinants, that anywhere we can shift from row to columns and columns to row, but here we have to be strict with row transformation or column transformation. And there are few things that you have to keep in mind. A is equal to I into A. This property will be used for row transformation, and A is equal to A into I. This will be using for column transformation. I'll be writing here for row and for column. Clear? For row transformation and for column transformation, this we have to keep it in mind. So I'm using this first example I am taking for elementary row transformation. I am writing that we have A is equal to I into A. Let us write this A matrix as 8, 3, 5 and 2. This identity matrix we know it is 1, 0, 0, 1. This A is as it is. Clear? Now there are few tricks that I want you to keep it in mind. We are going to transform this matrix. हम इस मैट्रिक्स को आइडेंटिटी में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. हमारी ये मैट्रिक्स कुछ देर बाद जो 1 0 0 1 बनने वाली है, ठीक है. यहां एक मैट्रिक्स आएगी, पता नहीं पीछे का A एज इट इज रखना है हमें. So we are going to apply elementary transformation. Now the idea that I am going to take is, keep the few elements will be there, but we will be converting the main elements into 0, and then one can be taken, that one can be made by dividing the whole thing. That is, if I want to keep this one as 1, I'll be dividing the last row by 5. If I want to keep this one, if I want to convert this 8 to 1, I'll be dividing the first row by 8. So that operation we can do it directly, but we have to make this one as 0. Now one trick I am telling you, to make this one 0, we want to make this 5 0, and I am applying row transformation, means row versus row. So I have to see that this row first element is 5 and the other row is having 8. So how we can make this 5 0? Already we are having 8. तो एक trick ये है, with that 8, if I make this 8 1 and multiply by 5, so this is the idea behind that. So what operation we are going to do? The trick is, we have to convert the first element of second row. Second row का पहला एलिमेंट, तो हमारा ऑपरेशन देखो, सेकेंड रो का पहला एलिमेंट, मैं एक ऑपरेशन का यहां डिजाइन दे रहा हूं. सेकेंड रो का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट वी हैव टू मेक इट 0. तो ये जो 5 है, ये जिस एलिमेंट को आप 0 बनाना चाहते हो, राइट इट इन द न्यूमरेटर, एंड रो 2 के एलिमेंट को नीचे लिख दीजिए 8. तो ये ट्रिक है, ठीक है. द ट्रिक इज, ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ मैं ही बता रहा हूं, ये ट्रिक आपको हायर क्लासेस में दिख जाएगी. व्हेन वी गो फॉर there are elimination methods in higher classes also. So from there we have taken this particular trick, where the trick very simple. अगर सेकेंड रो का पहला एलिमेंट 0 बनाना है, सेकेंड माइनस फर्स्ट, सेकेंड रो का वो जो एलिमेंट है वो न्यूमरेटर में लगा देना, और जिस रो के हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई करने वाले हैं उसके एलिमेंट को नीचे लिख देना. ये एक ऑपरेशन है, पहली 2-3 बार लगाओगे तो थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट लगेगा, बट वंस इट इज थॉरो विद you will be going to get least number of steps. That is, इससे कम steps नहीं बन सकते हैं. तो मैं यहां पे रो 2 पे ये ऑपरेशन लगा रहा हूं. तो इससे क्या होगा, आई एम मेकिंग दिस वन इन द सेम वे. लुक एट दिस, इसमें सेकेंड रो चेंज हुई है, फर्स्ट रो को तो कुछ नहीं किया, तो 8 3 1 0 ये हो गया अपने पास. अब ये ऑपरेशन, मैं इस ऑपरेशन को यहां साइड में लिख देता हूं. R2 में हमने क्या किया, R2 माइनस 5/8 टाइम्स R1, ये ऑपरेशन हम लोग अप्लाई करने वाले हैं. तो क्या होगा देखिए, मैं यहां पे रफ में भी सॉल्व करूंगा. R2 का एलिमेंट है 5, 5/8 R1 का एलिमेंट था 8, अगर आप सॉल्व करोगे तो 0 आ रहा है. नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट है 2 माइनस 5/8 टाइम्स वहां पे एलिमेंट है 3, कितना बना ये देखिए आप, दिस विल बिकम 16 minus 15, 1/8. I'm writing 1/8. Now the next element it is 0 minus 5/8 times ऊपर है 1. ये एलिमेंट देखिए, मैं सेकंड रो के एलिमेंट लिख रहा हूं फर्स्ट रो में, दोनों तरफ ऑपरेशन लगाना है ये. So this becomes minus 5/8 and the last element is 1 minus 5/8 और ऊपर है 0. We are getting 1. So this will be doing it in rough. Clear? Again I am telling you, this method is looking a bit twisted one, but this will give you least number of steps. So we are getting 0. So what we have to do, we will be removing this 8. If you want to keep this 1/8 as it is, no problem. Again, once making this one as 0, the next target is I want to make this element 0. Again वो ट्रिक काम करेगी. हम चाहते हैं पहली रो का दूसरा एलिमेंट, ऑपरेशन देखिए, पहली रो का दूसरा एलिमेंट, तो 1 and 2 हमारी ट्रिक यहां काम करेगी. यहां जो रो 1 का एलिमेंट कौन है साहब, 3 है, और रो 2 में एलिमेंट क्या था 1/8, तो 1/8, 8 ऊपर आ जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, दिस बिकम्स 24. सो दिस इज द ऑपरेशन वी आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई इन रो 1, एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू विल बी गोइंग टू गेट द रिजल्ट हियर. सो व्हाट यू कैन सी, हमारे पास सेकेंड रो को कुछ नहीं किया गया, 0 1/8 minus 5/8 and 1. What you will do, you are going to do R1 minus 24 times R2. So this is 8 as it is. We are having the element 3 माइनस 24 टाइम्स, नीचे एलिमेंट है 1/8, क्या मिला? दिस बिकम 0. वी आर हैविंग एलिमेंट 1 माइनस 24 टाइम्स, नीचे है माइनस 5/8, so this will get 3. We are getting how much? 16. Again the element is 0 minus 24 times, नीचे 1 है, this is minus 24. So we are there with the result. Let me tell you what we'll get after making these two elements. अब ये 0 तो कभी कन्वर्ट नहीं हो सकते, तो ये 0 के 0 रहेंगे. इस 8 को 1 बनाने के लिए एक ऑपरेशन लगा रहा हूं, ध्यान दीजिएगा. रो 1 is रो 1 multiplied by 1/8, that is dividing रो 1 by 8, and रो 2 will be multiplied by 8. रो 2, आई एम रबिंग दिस पार्ट क्योंकि तो रफ में करना था. R2 में क्या ऑपरेशन किया? R2 को हमने 8 टाइम्स कर दिया. बेटे ये कर दो, देखो आपका रिजल्ट आ गया. पहले यहां पे 8 से डिवाइड कराया तो ये हो गया 1 0/8. दिस इज 16/8. वी लेफ्ट विद 2. देन दिस इज minus 24 डिवाइड बाय 8 minus 3. Then we are having 0 as it is. 1/8 multiplied by 8, 1 multiplied by 8 minus 5 multiplied by 8, it is 8. So we are having a particular matrix. This is identity. This one is a new matrix. This new matrix is nothing but inverse. So we can say therefore A inverse is 2 minus 3 minus 5 and 8. So this is one of the trick. This is the main operation, that is elementary transformation. Especially I have taken row transformation, where we have applied this row transformation to get the inverse of a 2 into 2 matrix. In the next video we will go with finding the inverse of a 3 into 3 matrix using the same technique. तो टेक्निक हमारे पास क्या थी? अगर हम लोग कह रहे हैं कि फर्स्ट रो के फर्स्ट एलिमेंट को, तो फर्स्ट माइनस सेकंड ये आ जाएगा हमारे पास. सेकंड रो का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट है तो सेकंड माइनस फर्स्ट. यहां पे हमने ये वाले एलिमेंट करना था, दिस इज फर्स्ट रो का सेकंड है तो फर्स्ट का सेकंड, ये ऑपरेशन लगाना है और जो एलिमेंट है वो ऊपर और डिवाइड करना है. दिस इज वन ऑफ द टेक्निक व्हिच यू प्रैक्टिस, यू विल बी गोइंग टू गेट लीस्ट नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स. थैंक यू.